Sanibingelela babukela emakhaya sanamukela ku-Emprise 2230 podcast. Namhlanje njengoba sisela e-eventini akababa uSophuja celebrate i-Heritage Day sinosisi lana sese omkhulu onjani. Sacela ukubingelela babukela emakhaya uzintroduce.
Alright, Lotshani ekhaya amabizo ngu-TD Ketanamanganye, the lady with an American heart and African heart, indebele lidla ibisi ngeforok. Ukuba la ku-podcast
Ngibonga thina sisemkhulu. Sesi awusitshele ukhansela babukele emakhaya ukuthi nihlangene ngani lana futhi kubaluleke ngani ukugidinga lelanga la namhlanje.
namhlanje sisi kwaSophuja e-ofisi sisemabande grounding sports zokudinga ilanga lamasiko. So usimemile ukuthi sonke size sizokudinga ilanga lamasiko, but in the process yakhona bese kuba ne-tournament la ukuthi abantwana badlala ibhola, abantazana badlala i-netball. So everything it happens at once ukuthi masidinga ilanga leli lamasiko kube nento abantwana laba bayenzako ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukukhula bakwazi ukuthi ngelanga elinje sidinga ilanga lamasiko nathi sibe ukuthi siyadlala sibantwana.
So usathasha yona le ndaba yabantwana ubabona nje ukuthi ba-exposed kakhulu ku-social media. Angabe i-social media idlala yiphi i-role ebantwaneni ekubafundiseni ekubagqokeni ekutheni bawalandelela amasiko wabo?
I-social media ikaningi inobuhle bayo inobumbi bayo ngoba inezinto eziningi kuya ngokuthi umntwana uba exposed kuyiphi. Bane bathi i-social media ine-algorithm iya ngokuthi umntwana ubukela inkhulu. So nangabe umntwana ubukela abantu abajayiva khulu kuyovela abantu abajayiva ku-line up yakhe most of the time nakavula ifoni. Nangabe ubukela abantu ababethanako kuyovela abantu ababethanako all the time. So leyo iya ngokuthi ekhaya sibabelethi sikata njani abantwana ukuthi what are they watching on their social medias on their phone, ukuthi okay ubukela abantu ababethanako or ubukela abantu abagidako or abantu abadlala ibhola, because that is what is going to come a lot efonini yakhe nakayivulako just for notification with something like this. So it's upon us as ababelethi ukuthi monitor that, so that nangabe ufuna ukuthi abukele ibhola it has to be soccer a lot, because the algorithm is gonna change to soccer. Everything is gonna be about soccer, Kaizer Chiefs or anything that has soccer is gonna come to the lineup of brand.
Sesemkhulu siyabonga yini umlayezo onganikeza ababukeli emakhaya ogcina nje yes.
Alright, umlayezo ngingathi mina kibo asigidingeni ilanga leli lamasiko, sizazi ukuthi imvelaphi yethu sibobani. Kuqakatheke kakhulu ukuthi umuntu azazi ukuthi yena ungubani ungwakabani ukuyaphi, ngoba when you don't know where you come from you don't know where you're going. Na ungazi ukuthi ubuyaphi phambili le umunye umuntu angafika kutshele enye nenye into uzoyikhola because you don't know your roots. So when you are rooted in where you coming from, wazi ukuthi wena ungwakazibani, wena ukuyaphi, ulindebele ngomunye umhlobo, uzokwazi ukuthi ekhenu izinto nizenza njani. Noma ngabe ufike eAmerica, but you'll also remember ukuthi ekhaya nasithi sidlile vane sidle umrata, that's isiko lakho okhula ngalo, that's your culture. Ekhaya nasivukako vane silotshisana, that's a siko, that's a culture that we practice in our home. Ukuthi na uphi umntwana something athokoze kulisiko lokho, it's a culture that you know ukuthi in our home when you wake up we greet each other. Nasivukako nasiqeda ukudla sivasizitsha, you know, that's a culture on its own that we also need to teach our kids. So mina ngingasho ukuthi asikhuthaze nabantwana bethu, and khulu sikhuthaze nabantwana abakhulako babesana, sibakhuthaze khulu ngoba kaningi ngibona ngathi ama-drugs bahlasela abantwana babesana because they are the leaders of tomorrow. They are the leaders of tomorrow, and if bona they are tagged, they know ukuthi they're gonna get these women easily. You understand? So I'll urge khulu ukuthi ababelethi asikadeni sikhuliseni sibasekele abantwana babesana ukuthi sibanikeze nabo the strength ukuthi bazazi ukuthi besana and baqhakathekile empilweni, angabi ukuthi siyamthuka wena nehloko yakho ekhulu nani umntwana agcina sekabhema ama-drugs, agcina sekasendleleni, agcina sekaselutshwala, because those are the leaders ekufanele ukuthi bagade iphaseli ukuthi bangalebi ezandleni zabo. So that's what I'm going to say for today.
Okay, sesemkhulu siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi
ngithokoza kakhulu ukuthi ningibize ku-podcast kanje. Mina-ke I'm signing out, lami bizo ngu-TD Ketanamanganye. The lady with an American height and African heart.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.